Have you ever reflected on the mysteries of nature concealed in tiny marvels like the Indian gooseberry? Today, dive into the enchantment of an often overlooked natural remedy, the Indian gooseberry candy. This may appear to be just a simple sweet delight, but the benefits it harbors are nothing less than extraordinary. Gooseberry candy, a sweet derived from the Indian gooseberry, also known as Amla, holds the power to bolster your immunity. Imagine a tiny sweet candy packed with a punch of vitamin C that surpasses even an orange. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a shield for your health. The antioxidants in gooseberry candy work relentlessly to fight off harmful free radicals, those pesky culprits behind most diseases. It's like having your own personal health warrior, always ready for battle. But the magic doesn't stop there. Gooseberry candy also holds the secret to youthfulness. It aids in slowing down the aging process, keeping your skin radiant and your hair lustrous. Imagine biting into a piece of candy and unlocking the secret of natural beauty. And the heart, well, it loves gooseberry candy too. These little wonder sweets help maintain a healthy heart by regulating the buildup of bad cholesterol. It's like a sweet little whisper telling your heart, I've got you covered. Digestion issues, gooseberry candy shows up as a hero once again. It aids in improving digestion, ensuring a happy and healthy gut. It's like having a personal caretaker for your digestive system, always ensuring everything is running smoothly. To wrap it all up, gooseberry candy is a small package with massive benefits. It boosts immunity, empowers you with youthfulness, takes care of your heart, and ensures a healthy digestive system. It's a sweet treat that's more than just a candy. It's a piece of nature's magic, a tiny, tasty remedy that holds the power to enhance your health and well-being. So the next time you're craving a sweet treat, remember the humble gooseberry candy, your sweet little powerhouse of health.